All right, so another day of the scooter saga. Good morning-ish. Obviously, we need to start getting going earlier in Vang Vieng because all of the scooter places are like sold out of scooters every day. Anyway, it is a beautiful day and we're excited to check out the lagoon.
Hi guys, so we got a scooter. He's rinsing it off for us. So we just rode our scooter about 20 minutes to Blue Lagoon 1. So today we are doing Blue Lagoon hopping, and I'll just show you on a map so you better understand. Okay guys, so we started right here in town in Vang Vieng, and then we rode our scooter all the way up here, and now we're at Blue Lagoon 1. And today we are going to ride around on this scenic loop. So we'll go up here and stop off at Blue Lagoon 3, and then we'll come around and go to Blue Lagoon 2 before heading back into town. So it should be pretty good. The weather's looking good, and let's go see how much it costs to get into Blue Lagoon 1.
Somebody Ford Raptors here.
We just got our tickets to enter. It costs 10,000 each, but I'm not about to do the conversion right now. So
like 50 cents.
Here is the exact price on the screen. So we're pretty sure we're at the right place, but not to be offensive, we feel like Blue Lagoon 1 is a little bit underwhelming, and maybe that's because we're from Florida and this just looks like any other spring at home.
Except much less clear. The water is very cloudy and it looks gray.
Yeah, but we'll go for a swim and we'll let you know how it is. You going for a swim?
Are you?
I'm not particularly enticed to go swimming.
Neither am I. It is so cold. This
Pretty though.
place is beautiful, yeah. Alright, so you know how like normally when you jump in water in a spring and it's cold for a minute but then it feels really good? Well, I just soaked my leg in there for like 5 minutes and it is still freezing.
Also, a little trick we discovered is that you can book all of these excursions, zip lining, tubing, coming to the Blue Lagoons, and going to Namse viewpoint through tour groups, and they take you on a little van and transport you there. But all these places are accessible by moped, and so we rented a scooter for $7 a day, and we just took ourselves to these places. So we probably saved like $50 a day by not doing the tours. So if you're up to rent a scooter and ride a scooter, definitely do it because you'll save a ton of money, and then you won't be stuck to a tour schedule, or you won't be rushed, and you can make your own plan and schedule. So that's what we came up with here. And then we're not really feeling Blue Lagoon 1, so we'll probably head out in a few minutes and try Blue Lagoon 3. Plus we love riding the scooter. That's probably the most fun part.
Yeah. So you don't want to have fish nibble on your toes, Patty?
Alright.
A little bit prettier in the light. Alright, so honest review of Blue Lagoon 1. It looks like a fun lagoon. Maybe because of rainy season, you know, the water's just like very dark and muddy. But also nobody was swimming because it was so cold. Anyway, we're gonna go check out Blue Lagoon 3 now and see what's up with that one.
Off to Blue Lagoon 3. Cow crossing. That's wild.
Can you imagine if it was raining on this?
Quite a bumpy ride for sure. Oh! Yeah.
My helmet makes me look like a dumb.
What to do here?
Oh my god. Well, obviously those people made it through here somehow.
Reevaluating our decision-making skills right now.
You can rent like ATVs here for like mudding. We were kind of wondering why, because you know we've just been mopeding everywhere back here. Yo, that's why.
There are barely any people out there. We just stopped to, I don't know, take it all in. Also, don't mind my helmet. It's so goofy, but they ran out of all the normal helmets. And yeah, there's barely any people out there, and this is probably more of a highlight than the lagoons, just getting off the beaten path and really enjoying the landscape of Laos.
It's crazy because the only thing that you can hear is the occasional local riding by on their moped, and then once his sound goes away, all you can hear is this little stream and like the wind rustling through the rice. It's insane.
We've only seen locals out here, so we definitely feel like we're getting the full experience.
I would love to own a house out here. Made it to Blue Lagoon 3, and this looks way more fun than the other one. Just do it.
So I understand that I looked incredibly ridiculous jumping off of that rope swing, but I don't even care. We're including it in the vlog because it was funny. Blue Lagoon 3 is way more fun than Blue Lagoon 1, and it's a little bit further of a drive, but totally worth it. Again, this was 10,000 kip each to get in, so 50 cents or whatever. And yeah, it was quite an adventure to get here on those back dirt roads that were full of potholes, which were full of water. But honestly, that was the most fun we had all day, and it was totally worth it to be here. So definitely would recommend.
All right, so now we are at Blue Lagoon 3. 2. Blue Lagoon 2, but the third one that we visited. And we're about to check it out. Mainly, we're just psyched about like this view. The whole time, the view is just 15 out of 10. Okay, well, we're gonna go check it out. But even if we don't swim, like at least the ticket's only 50 cents each. Hey, this is definitely like the best one for swimming. Like in the straight daytime, like look how clear and nice this is. Blue Lagoon 2 definitely looks like the most fun during the day. We're just kind of here like almost at closing time. Blue Lagoon 3 had the best view, I think, but this one there's like slides, jumping platforms, and the water is super clear and blue. So maybe we will come back here in the daytime before we leave. We'll see. No, don't fly off.
Please, you're gonna hit a pothole. You're crazy.
Feels like the Tesla Model S.
Oh, our shadow looks so cute.
Oh, I'm taking a sight.
Excuse me. Hi guys, so we are at the Vang Vieng night market. It's quite chill and there's not a lot of street food. There's a lot of clothes and shops to look at. So this is my opinion, it's not a fact, but in all of my travels, I just have to say that the Lao people are some of the friendliest people I've ever come across. Laos, and then I would also say Eastern Europe. Those are just the friendliest, most welcoming and kind people I've encountered on my travels. It's just the simplest things, like walking down the street and all the kids are like, hi! Or we were in the most like rural place where there was literally no people, and we passed a local and she was just smiling and so happy to see us, so that's what I mean, I don't know.
Do you see this amount of ice? Have you ever seen this amount of ice? This is probably how much ice France has in their entire country. No, but anyway, this place is really cheap and their food looks good.
Hey guys, this sandwich costs 25k, so $1.
$1. I mean, it's thick. It's very thick. It's like a whole sub. There's this knife sticking out of it.
It looks so sus.
It looks interesting.
It looks sus.
I mean, I like onions, I like ham, I like vegetables, I like cheese, I like ketchup and and mayo. And this bread is like very nice and crunchy.
Okay guys, thank you so much for watching another vlog. We really are enjoying our time in Vang Vieng. And now we're just gonna head in for the night, and tomorrow we will have more to share with you. So thanks for watching. I hope you had a great day, and Matt has some words of wisdom to share with you.
If you're ever feeling like you are not doing enough, do more.
Fit check.